Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J again with another GTA Definitive Edition, man. Part 3. Yeah. We're gonna continue. The last time we finished Salvatore mission. Now we're gonna work for the Yakuzza. Yeah. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Do remember to hit that like button. And if you're a first time viewer, welcome to the Dash&X channel. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated. Word up. And do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _Dash&X. Alright, let me go over here, man, and see if I could get some ammo. I don't know what kind of gun I have. See, I ain't even have no gun.
I don't need to see any ID. You look trustworthy.
I get a grenade. What's that? 3,000. I don't know. That's armor. Okay. Buy some guns. Spend that money up. Alright. I think I got enough. Got 20 of those. 750. How much of this I got now? I think I need more. More of this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need more. I use this more often than any other gun. One love to the big man. Alright. Alright, let me go down, check the Yakuzza. We could go to the phones. Yeah, let's go to the phone. Aw, man. Fuck out the way, bro. Fuck out the way, dude. Watch it, people. Oh, these must be the Bloods. Uzi Rider. Don't you know? We're gonna do a drive-by.
We're going for a little ride into Hepburn Heights. Kill me some filthy Diablo boo-boo spin batting up me lady Queen Lizzie. You do the driving and the shooting and the dally and a boot. We'll make sure you don't get cold feet here. You'll need a piece.
Yeah, man, Jamaicans do not talk like that, man.
Let's drive.
Boot and a looting and a shooting. Who the fuck speaks like that? fucking Diana fucking light. Stopped on the green light. Oh shit. Oh shit. Sorry, bro. Sorry, dude. Why you run back in the car again? Holland Tunnel. Going through the Holland Tunnel. Nah, this Midtown. Mid. Alright, let me go around these fools. Oh man, this is a long drive. Let's kill me some Diablo. Okay, where the Diablo's at, bro? Drive by, drive by, drive by, dudes. Drive by on the block, drive by on the block. I wonder how much, oh damn, we got cops on us. Uh-oh. It don't look good. Don't move a muscle. You get the hell out the way, boy. I think I need a faster car. This car is too damn slow. Yo, who's behind me, man? Damn, get off my tail, man. Fuck out of here, boy.
Okay, that should do it. Now get us back to the yard. Go, go, go now.
That wasn't that hard to kill them guys. Easy killings. Yo, get out the way, man. Damn. Yo, this car is a piece of shit, man. You can't even turn it. telling you, man, GTA got the worst traffic. They need to change that AI format. Fuck out the way, man. It don't matter which GTA you played. Hey, this car is I'm telling you, this car is something wrong with it. I don't know if it's glitching or what.
Okay, you're the kind of man we like as friend, man. You're Irie, man. Real shooter.
Real shooter. Real shooter. Oh, I don't want to drive this no more. Damn, why you kill a lady? Go over here and see if I find her. See if I find a car over here. Oh, ain't no cars over here. Alright, I'll drive this. I wonder what's that purple thing for. We're about to find out. I don't want to mess the car up. Shit, look at that. I still mess the car up. Watch it, Jamaican. Multi-story mayhem. You have to what? To start. Multi-story mayhem. I don't know. What I'm supposed to do? Drive around here? 1/20. Okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but oh, the timer running down. Wow. Got 11 seconds. It's a nice car right there. Come on, get the thing, man. Yeah. Got 6 seconds. Hurry up, dude. There we go. There we go. Going for this one. Oh, I missed it. Oh, man. Man. Mission failed. This was too much shit to do. I saw a car. Oh, there we go. Here we go, a car right here. I saw a Ferrari up top. I don't know where that Ferrari went.
What y'all going stressing about?
That thing moving on the ground. Look at that. All right, let's go check the yak. Oh, come on, man. Jesus. I can't keep a car clean in this fucking game. I don't remember if the old one was like this. Like as soon as you touch the car, it looks like that. One touch.
Salvatore's death comes as pleasurable news. You're an efficient killer. I like that in a man. Ah, this is my brother, Kenji.
Asuka has a little job for you, but when you're done, drop by my casino and we can talk.
Just like Kenji, always trying to play with my toys. My police source indicates that the FBI has mounted a surveillance operation at key locations around the city. It is too late to contact anyone and avoid incrimination. Take out these spying cops, but be careful. They're bound to have backup.
This don't sound easy. Don't sound easy at all. Sound like it's hard. Oh, we got 6 minutes though? Damn.
Hey, tell you.
One is over here. Over here. Yeah, I'm gonna kill these fools. Sniper. Sniper. Shoot it. Take his head clean off. Need a okay, use a grenade here. I should do it. How much? Oh, we got a lot of time left. But we got a lot of people to kill too.
Watch it, punk.
Get out of the way. Where they at? Up here? I hear gunshots. They up in this building right here? Where are they, yo? Where are these people? Get out of the car, yo, because I don't know it. Oh, there they go. There they go, them up. Where that sniper rifle at? Bring it out, bro. A lot of them up there. He's right there. One right there. Lay down, fool. Take your head off, boy. We'll shoot through the glass, right? Can't shoot through the glass? Wow, that's gonna be tricky. That one gonna be tricky. I gotta get up on this building somewhere to get that guy, yeah. How am I gonna get him? How am I gonna get that guy up there? Oh, there we go. His head is up now. Come on, man. Why can't I? Can't even center his head. Look, that shit is stupid, yo. There we go. Get him. Can't get in here, man. Wow. All right, let's go. Let's go. I don't know who K is, but K gonna wait. I need to get over there. I can't jump. Oh, hold up. Let me see if I could drive off right here. Get out of that. Huh. That's crazy.
A reporter has been nosing around. Marie and I have taken a little holiday together until you can get rid of this perverted voyeur. He's probably out in the bay as you read this. Steal a police boat and sink his career.
Kill this journalist. That's him right there. Hold up. I can't shoot him. I'm here. So if I don't have to go in no boat. I probably could shoot him from right here. Oh no, I can't. No, they made it where you can't shoot him from here. Nope. You definitely gotta let me see if I can shoot him from here. Try from here. Save me the trouble. Look like he got a fast ass boat too. Yep, damn, he's off. Get him, man. Get him. He's clean out of here. Alright.
A reporter has been nosing around.
Alright, let's go. Jump into the boat. LB to fire cannons. Okay. Okay. I don't even know where the bullets are going. I can't even tell. Don't try to look at him trying to go around the boy to trying to go around the boy. Okay, I'm damaged. Okay, I see the damage now. This motherfucker, yo. Motherfucker. Okay, I got 10 grand. 10,000. I don't know if it's 10,000 or 100,000. I couldn't see it. That's the way I want to go. Down, straight down. Yep, that wasn't a bad mission. Not too hard at all. It's not too hard. All right. Yeah. Payday for Ray.
It's my handsome handyman. Maria's all tied up at the moment, but I'll tell her you called.
What's that, Asuka? You know, I know I've been a naughty girl, but I really need to pee, okay?
It's time you met our man inside the LPD. Here's a payment for the last little job he did for us. He is understandably cautious. Get to the payphone in Torrington as quick as you can and await his instructions.
Await his instructions. All right. Get to the payphone. Drive this fast car right here. Look like I'm gonna need a fast car. Come on, man. Damn.
Get out of it!
phone in West Belleville Park.
Oh, this guy playing games. Got me driving all over the place. I can't even go through them two cars.
Get to the phone on Liberty Campus.
Liberty Campus. I remember this part in GTA 5 too. It's still working on the constructions here.
Get to the phone in South Belleville Park.
Come on, dude. You're sending me all over the fucking place. Come on, get in the car, bro. I need a new car soon. Yo, get in the car, man. What the fuck?
Meet me in the toilet block in the park.
Yo, why these... Yo, get out the way, man. Jesus. Yo, I didn't know this game was... I forgot how annoying this game was. Yo, why you hiding in the toilet, man?
Motherfucker's no errand boy. You got the money? Is it all here? I know what you're thinking. Another bent cop. Well, it's a bent world. Just because I lost a few partners, those suckers from Internal Affairs have started sniffing around. Reckon they can smell me. Well, this city is one big open sewer. But I'm gonna need some non-union help. And if you're interested, you know where to find me.
I can't believe... Oh, it gave me some money to come. Okay. But I'm like... I know I won't be... Couldn't be driving around town just to... For him just to tell me that. He could have called me and told me that. Idiot thing that. Oh, this is a car right here. Okay. I need to go down to the Yakuza. I need to go check the Yakuza. Yakuzas. Yo, why this car turning into my car, man? Like, yo. We cannot get a comfortable drive on this game, man. Okay, let's see what more mission they got. Two-Face Tanner.
Maria and I have gone shopping. Our source in the police has informed us that one of our drivers is a strangely animated undercover cop. He's more or less useless out of his car, so we've tagged it with a tracer. Make him bleed.
Okay, so it's a cop. Yo, I swear I always hit that pole right there. There's something wrong with me on that pole. That's what I'm talking about, this stupid traffic. It's hard for you to get a comfortable drive. You're gonna hit something. There's no way you're gonna drive this game and not hit something. Because if you don't hit them, they're gonna hit you. Yo, give me that. Oh man, that was such a fast car, yo. Jesus, that guy's gone. A motherfucker running. Damn, where all these cops come from? Hey, that wasn't that bad. I don't know what kind of car this is supposed to be. Lamborghini, okay. This is the Lambo. Oh, let me see what GTA did with it. Oh, they didn't do much with it. Where's my house?
pocket you. $20, I'll make you holler. Dick. Ah!
Hey, it's always raining in this game. Yeah, and to think back in the days, man, you couldn't tell us nothing. That car was the shit. Man, GTA came a long way. Yeah, man, but this is where we're going to leave the video. We're going to keep this one short. I want to thank everybody for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If this is your first time, welcome to the Dash and the X channel. Do remember to hit that like button. That is also appreciated. Yeah, thanks for watching. God bless. One.